Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I introduce Lenovo ThinkCentre Neo 50t Gen3. The ideal combination of speed and sustainability, the ThinkCentre Neo 50t tower is ideal for your growing business. You like the clean, minimalist design, and you love the power it brings to your workday. This desktop PC tackles high-performance workloads seamlessly with 12th Gen Intel registered core trademark processors. Plus, you'll enjoy a multitude of connectivity options for productive collaboration with low environmental impact. Long-term business value. When it comes to responsible computing, the ThinkCentre Neo 50t tower raises the bar. The modern chassis looks great no matter where you place it, but what's even better is that it's made from 85% post-consumer content, PCC, resin. Remote, clean collaboration. Choose the optional Wi-Fi for collaboration that's easy, convenient, and fast. No worry about a long cable. Just power on and connect to the internet. Plus, with Windows 11 Pro, you'll appreciate the Microsoft Teams integration with ThinkCentre Neo 50t Tower for simpler, faster collaboration. Secure by design. The ThinkCentre Neo 50t Tower is protected by our ThinkShield security solutions, a suite of hardware and software that work together to safeguard both your device and your data. From discrete trusted platform module, DTPM 2.0 that encrypts your passwords, to physical security options, to a self-healing BIOS with BIOS Guard and Boot Guard, to smart USB protection, we've got you covered.
विंडोज़ इंस्टॉलेशन के रिलेटेड किसी भी किस्म की इन्फॉर्मेशन के लिए आप कमेंट में रब्ता कर सकते हैं और मेरे फेसबुक पेज पे मुझसे रब्ता कर सकते हैं।